Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Alpha Trade, and today I want to just show you guys a quick rundown of what is happening on the Deriv market. This can serve as a guide during this our challenge, our October challenge phase 2, where we are raising $20 to $500. I want to say congratulations and a big thank you to those who participated in the phase 1, where we raised $10 to $100 a few days. Okay, that was last week. So today is October 10th, right? Today's October 10th, and we are starting in phase 2 of the challenge, which we are raising $20 rather to $500. So if you are here to join the challenge, do so now. Okay, and if you are seeing this video and you're not yet a member of this channel, please smash the subscribe button. Okay, subscribe to this channel and also click the like button. Okay, also check the description box right below this video. We are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Join our Telegram community and then participate in the October challenge phase 2. Okay, so I'm making this video to serve as a guide to those of you that will be participating in the challenge, so you know where to have to view the market. Okay, mind you, this is just my personal view of the market, and the market, as we all know, is more reactive than predictive. Okay, so we are going to be reacting more to the market than predicting, because despite our predictions, despite our analysis, the market and the broker decides ultimately. Okay, so but this is going to give us overall view of what to expect or what will likely happen in the market. Okay, so this is boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I want to start the analysis now. This is boom 1000, and as we can see, price has been on the downside, right? This has been a downtrend. Okay, and this point here we see is has been a resistance point. It has been a support here. It has been a support. This is the weekly time frame, and this has been a support for a while. It has been tested several. Okay, this has been since 2021. Wow, such a long time. As was in 2021. Yeah, around December 2021. It was first of all retested around December 2021, and again at it was retested again at around still December 26th, and then January, yeah, it was retested, and now price has come back to it this October. Okay, so for a long time this has been, even on the monthly time frame, it has been a kind of support level, and so now the price is a kind of breaking it here. We're expecting to have a push to this zone here. Okay, we're expecting to have a push to this zone here, but that's on a very longer time frame. So at this moment, where our consideration is going to be more at the point will be this level. We most of us are scalpers, and we tend to take a quicker advantage, so our concentration is going to be much within this area for now, right? So I'm going to go down to the lower time frame to show us what could possibly be happening. Let's go down to the H4. Let's see what to possibly expect. Okay, this is the H4, and as you can see, this okay, yeah, this is the line I drew earlier. This is the line we saw earlier, and price has broken it. Meanwhile, okay, let me show you something on the daily time frame. Let's see something on the daily time frame. Okay, let me scale down. Okay, this is something. Okay, you can see it, that price has actually broken through this first line and it's coming to this second line, as you can see it, and that's a sign that price is breaking out already. Okay, so we have to look at what is happening on the recent times more. This is it. You can see that price actually broke through. Yep, is it, price broke through here, and look at it, very impulsively, and it is going down. So at this moment we are to be expecting a kind of sell. Look at it, price has broken. You can see this weak rejection to it. This is a spinning star, an evening star. Okay, so you can see it, price is very, very impulsive. At this point we are expected to be buying, selling. We expected to be selling the boom 1000, right? We sell and hold. Look at it, it's very, very, price went to retest this level, because this also has been kind of support level, sorry, resistance level. Yeah, so it came to retest it. This is it, and after doing the retest it's moved up. Okay, this is it. So we can still go down. These are M30, right? We have come down enough. So obviously we are having a downtrend now, so you are supposed to be shorting the market, right? You should be shorting. If you are trading, you're expected to be going down, like shorting, looking for a sell more. Not like you won't catch some spikes. Yeah, you will catch some spikes, but most of the times you should be selling instead of buying. Okay, you should be selling instead of buying. That's what you see. Over 1000 more bearish. Okay, so it is a selling time for all of us. Good luck, guys. Let's check another instrument. Okay, so this is actually the boom 500, guys. This is boom 500 on the lower on the weekly time frame. So we want to see what's actually happening. This is this has been a support level here, and price broke through it. As you can see, price actually broke through it, and it has gone back to it. Price broke through it and went back to retest it. So why going back? It gave us this pattern here. Okay, so we got this pattern where price went back to retest it, gave us this pattern. Okay, so this is the pattern it actually gave us here, and after retesting this level, price still broke through it, through this trend line here, and went back to retest this very zone. You can see an important zone here where price went to retest. Okay, so after this break of structure that we had here, we had another block, so price went to retest it. Okay, so as we see with this pattern we see here, we are expecting we actually expecting a push to the downside. Okay, we're expecting a push to the downside. Okay, meanwhile we have to go to the lower time frame. Let's see the daily time frame to get a clearer view, right? Yeah, so if we can go by this more recent pattern it's giving us here, we can see that, yeah, price actually has been going up to retest this area, because we're looking at this zone now, this level now. Looking at it, I think price still might want to get to this point, right? Price might still want to get to this point because of this guy here. Okay, to fill up this structure we have here. Okay, price might still want to get to this level, right? Yep, this is it. So price might still want to get to this level before it starts coming down through really. So we still, let's see our H4. Okay, yeah, so we're expecting price to still get a push up to this Okay, this point has been tested already by this imbalance has been filled already. So you just have, this is a consolidation phase, and just have to wait to see what it's happening. Okay, we have multiple tests of this level here. Just have to wait to see what is happening. Personally, if I'm trading here, I want to see a break here of this structure, and it's going to be more of scalping than swinging. Okay, it's going to be more of scalping. I will want to see a break of this structure. Yeah, if there is a break of this structure, then I'm going to short it. Meanwhile, if you want to catch some spikes, this is a very important zone here for you to catch some spikes. Okay, you can see when price even came here, yeah, it happened, it tested it and went up. So if price comes here, we're also going to catch some spikes. This is the level here. Okay, this is the level here. So if you are looking at it, you are watching this video, know that once price comes here, we are going to catch some spikes. So once there's a break here, I might sell to this level, to this point. This is the H1 time frame. This is also showing us the same thing. There has to be a break here before I'll be sure to sell up to this point. And once price comes here, 42.14, yeah, this 4,214. Yeah, once price comes this area, I'll have to be buying, like catching spikes back to this level, right, back to this our trend line. So this is what I see on boom 500. Okay, so we actually going to have some serious sell. Yeah, once the setup completes, once it completes this setup, we're actually going to have serious sell. And once price breaks through this level, it's going to be a massive sell, right? So the chart is setting up for an all-time sell, right? So that's it for this. Okay, as you can see, even on the weekly, price has been selling more than it has been buying. Yeah, okay, so that's it for boom 500. Make sure to join our October challenge phase 2. Click the description box down below this video. You see a link to my Telegram channel. You'll be able to join the October challenge phase 2, where we are raising just $20 to $500. We recently concluded the phase 1, which was last week, where we raised $10 to $100 in a few days, and we are doing the phase 2, $20 to $500, raising $20 to $500. Okay, we are going to be dropping signals in the group, and everyone will be seeing it, and also we'll be doing a follow-up of the signal. Also, if you're able to drop signals, if you have attained the level of competence, you will be given the opportunity as well to drop signals in the group. Okay, yeah, so it's open for everyone to drop the comments, and participate also. That's it. Okay, so this is also this is crash 1000. This is crash 1000, and as you can see, within this level on the weekly time frame, it has been on a consolidation phase. Okay, price has been consolidating after giving us this what do you call it, this push to the downside. Okay, it has been on a consolidation phase, and now we are going to go down to a lower time frame to see what's happening really. Okay, because most of us are swingers, and you can see most of us are scalpers rather. We can see we had a breakout here, but let's see what's really happening. Okay, we had a breakout at that point, and price went back here. Let's just I think we should go down to know what's happening. Okay, like I told you guys earlier, this market is more reactional than predictive. It's more reactive than predictive. Okay, so we are looking at it. You can see it's showing us kind of bullish sign. The price might be going up more. Okay, so we might be expecting price to get back to this level here. Might be expecting price to come back to this level. Okay, so when price comes back to this level, because we have had several touch here, so we have this level. We might be expecting price to push up to this level, okay, before it starts coming down. That's it. So we can actually buy crash 1000. Yes, we can buy crash 1000. As we see it has been giving us this this pattern here. It has been giving us higher highs here and higher lows, so we expect it to continue up to this level, right? So to continue up to this level and before pushing to the downside. Okay, so at this point you can expect to buy, we can expect to buy boom crash 1000, right? You can buy crash 1000. Meanwhile, I personally want to see it break out the structure. I want to see it break out the structure before I buy. Okay, so that is it for crash 1000. It's simply still buying, simply a buy for me. Okay, this is my personal opinion. It's simply a buy. Okay, can also drop your comments on the comment box. If you have any contrary opinion, or you have any confusion, any question, drop that in the comment box below. Okay, or you can also send it directly to me on my in my Telegram handle. So check the description box. You're going to see a link to my Telegram. Send it directly to me if you have any question or confusion. Right? Join our October challenge phase 2. Let's raise $20 to $500. Okay, yeah guys, thank you. So let's we want to see crash 500. Want to see crash 500 and know what is happening. Okay, so wow, looking at this weekly time frame, you could see a move here and a break. Okay, I think it is on a very important zone on the weekly time frame. To 500 is crash 500 is on a very important zone here, and we're expecting a kind of reaction within this level. Okay, so we have to go to the lower time frame. Already it is consolidating there on the daily. On this zone, it is already consolidating on the daily time frame. So personally, I expect it to push in more into the zone and probably come to this area, get to this area. Yeah, so I expect it to push more into the zone and come to this level before it will finally reverse to the downside. Okay, and we know this is a daily time frame, so it is still going to be very take some time. It's still going to take some time, right? So this is it. It has been given us this consolidation within this level. Meanwhile, you can see that it also has been a kind of higher lows. It has been making a kind of higher lows. So we expect to still find. Okay, meanwhile, for those of us scalping, I think the recent happenings will still be of more importance to us, because we are scalpers and we want to take advantage of what's happening now. So we still expect price to go up. We still expect price to go up, although I'm expecting a reaction within this point, yeah, which it has started already. So when price comes here again, it's still going to drop down, it's going to spike, but ultimately we are going up, we are going higher for this. Okay, we are going higher to retest that to retest this. Okay, to retest where is it? Yeah, we're still going higher to this point. Personally, that's what I think. We're still going higher to this point. Okay, this is it before it begins to drop down. Yeah, before the drop continues, still have to go up a little. Okay, meanwhile we have to watch it closely and see the whole thing play out, because anything can happen in the market. Anything can happen in the market. So you have to watch closely and see things play out. Okay, yeah. So but when price gets here, it might react. So anything can actually happen. Anything can actually happen. So, like I said earlier, the market is more reactive than predictive. Okay, so let's just hold and see. Let's just watch and see. Price might get here, but once it breaks this trend line here, it's going up to retest the level I just showed us. Yeah, okay, so that's it for boom and crash for this week. That's how price will be going the way that I've just shown you guys. Okay, so join the challenge, the cover challenge phase 2. I'm going to be dropping signals. I'm going to be watching the market closely and dropping signals for us to trade. Okay, and if you can also trade, if you understand the market and you can trade, can also we also welcome you to drop signals, because we are all trading together. It's a challenge going on in the community, and we all want to see each other succeed in raising $20 to $500. Okay, so we all will be dropping the signals. Will be dropping the signals. Okay, once you understand the market, let me know. You will drop signals in the market and people will trade it. Okay, so thank you guys for being a part of this. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful trading week. Okay, so this actually this is it. Yeah, this is the this is it. This is the group. We did the phase 1 and it was massive. It was massive. You can see the phase 1 was massive, and I'll show you this one is not going to be less. The phase 2 is not going to be less. Okay, so be a part of this. Okay, be a part of it. You can see people do drop their comments. Yes, so be part of it, and I'll show you. Be glad you did. You can also join my mentorship class if you want. Join my mentorship class, of course. I'm going to teach you my secret strategies to trade the market. Okay, I'm going to teach you my personal strategies. If you are still a novice, I'm also going to brush you off from the basic. Okay, until you begin to make consistent profits from the market. Thank you guys. Jab.